All right, this came today. I think we'll do a little art haul video here. I know everybody does art haul videos, but and I'm just gonna take the stuff out of the box anyway. So if you enjoy seeing that, stick around. Here we go. All right, I cut it open already. I didn't think I ordered a case of these, but I guess I'll need it. I'll never need another Yoo-hoo stick the rest of my life. Yikes. Well, it's all good. When it comes to art supplies, it's all good. Just getting rid of the packaging. Black. All right, sweet. It's like cardstock, so sometimes I use this to mount my drawings and paintings too. A couple of UM-153 Uniball White Pens. Yeah, these are great. Pentel color brush set. Yeah, I wanted to try these out. So this is filled with ink. Yeah. And then it comes with an extra aquash brush, which I use quite a bit of those, so that'll be good. And then this thing was, I don't know how good or bad this thing is going to be, but I thought I'd give it a shot to see what some of the, just because it came with so much stuff, I thought, well, I'll give that a shot. Yeah. I'll get rid of the box now. Okay. Guess some of these came loose in the shipping. Oh. We'll worry about that later, but okay. Coloring, charcoal, watercolor, drawing, and metallic. We'll take a closer look at those later, but that's what came today. Way too many Yoo-hoo sticks. I thought, I gotta really look at the quantities from now on. That's crazy. Some Pentel art brush stuff, color brush, and then this black mixed media tablet. That's it.